All right, it's Sunday, July 13th. God, my cousin Diane's birthday. Ooh, 75. Hi, Prime Minister Masla. How's lunch? Where's Dr. Chi? Up higher, okay. Enjoy your brunch, Sunday brunch. All right, now he wasn't bearded. Just a lot of shadow here. And it's still underway. I may go over some of this with white gouache, which I've done many times over the years with different drawings. That's right. Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Chi. I appreciate your feedBOK. In fact, Alvin probably met my first budgie wedgie. Whew, Monty, a blessed memory, who I got with Alan Gallant, who passed on in November. Of ALS, November 2024. Okay, back to Alvin. Tomorrow's Bastille Day. Got a King Classic Radio, 98.1 FM on the radio. For years, I don't know if they do it anymore, but they used to play different versions of La Marseillaise all day long. It was great. Talker than I wanted right there, but that's okay. Oops. Gotta be careful. Paper towels are handy, especially when you get ink on your hand, on your drawing hand. Okay, about 40 more seconds, we'll call it quits. 3 minutes here. Very warm today. So many years gone by. 1969 he died in June. Wow. All right, to be continued.